Hello, all my shadow crafters. Time for another Sofie and Toffee unboxing. I think this one is supposed to be the Ninja Cookie one. Oh, did we change the box? This box looks better than the other one so far. A bit dented, but I'm not surprised. So let's see what we got. Ooh, this feels like it's really packed. Oh, that's fine. Okay, I'm starting to get back to the real gig of actually packing things. Cookie's Revenge. Okay, that's what it was called. Dressing up in different fighting outfits. Nice. Instructions, which is also nice. Calendar December box winners. Okay, let's see what we got. Right. $25 grams of UV resin. What happened to 60? Okay, polymer clay sprinkles. Oh, that's cute. I like the container it's in. 3-to-1 ratio epoxy, Sofie and Toffee. That's gonna be hard to work through. Cookie gingerbread man. Miranda, what? It doesn't say. Is this maroon? Yeah, this is maroon. And this is blue. Miranda dye. Purple cotton candy glitter. Why don't we open this up? It's a nice container it's in. Looks like any other glitter, but confetti, whatever. Black water-based marker. Oh wait, this is the clear craft glue. E6000. You mean they gave me this? Okay. Green diamond dust. Glitter. That's an interesting color. It does kind of look like diamonds. Okay, use the black water-based marker. Fighting outfits. Hold on. There we go. You see that better, right? Little teddy bear, nunchucks, little ninja outfit. Little ninja outfit. I like the swords, katanas. Throwing star, throwing knife, ninja outfit. What's this? Boxing? That's a bow. That's a samurai. That's a shield. Oh. I guess that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Kinda hoping this would be bigger, but it's so cute. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to send me some coffee. Have a nice day. Namaste.